Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing ChargeJoy. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically an app that supposedly pays you for charging your phone. And as you can see right here, you can start anywhere. So for example, it offers a one-stop self-service mobile power bank rental service, providing a solution for charging your mobile devices while on the go. Simply scan the QR code on the ChargeJoy station to rent a mobile power bank. And as you can see, they pay you when you rent a power bank while you charge. You just scan a QR code. And I'm just gonna say right off the bat that this is a scam. And as you can see, they only have 500 plus downloads because this is the new app. Because their old app just got taken. As you can see right here, this is a ChargeJoy, as you can see from the site here. So I actually found this Reddit post over here going over that ChargeJoy is a scam. So from the title itself, do not use this app, it's a scam, ChargeJoy. So this is an app supposed to pay you for charging your phone. That's not what it does. It pays you to watch ads. Yes, there's a few games to play, but here's how it works. As soon as you open the app, you are forced to watch the ad, and all ads last 60 seconds and unstoppable. Sometimes after an ad, they automatically redirect you to Google Play Store. Then you have to exit play and reopen the app again so you get to watch another ad. The games are easy to open, but again, you have to watch the ad when you click on a game, blah blah blah. Again, all 60-second ads. The cash out is minimum $50. So they only give you 0.003 coins, and so for you to get $50 is a long time. So as you can see, be careful with apps like these. First, blah blah blah. Similar app filled my phone with malware and forced me to buy a new phone recently. So please do not play or get this app in the hopes of making money. You can, but it's better to work and just play this game, since the amount of money you get from playing this game is negligible. And yeah, that is basically it. So yeah, if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.